Welcome to today's Science Podcast. I am Bell, and today we are talking about supersymmetry. It sounds difficult, but we will explain it in a simple way. So, what is supersymmetry?
Supersymmetry is a mathematical idea. Scientists use it to understand the basic parts of matter and how they are organized.
Why do scientists use ideas like symmetry?
Because we have learned that things that look different can actually be connected by symmetry. For example, think about a sphere, like a basketball. When you turn it, it looks different, but it is still the same shape.
So symmetry means something stays the same even when it changes?
Yes, exactly. In physics, we found that some particles can change into other particles, but the math equations describing them stay the same.
That sounds interesting. But what was missing?
What we could not find was a symmetry that connects two big groups of particles, matter particles and force particles.
What are matter particles?
Matter particles are particles that make things. For example, electrons, muons, and quarks.
And force particles?
Force particles carry forces. For example, photons, gluons, and W and Z bosons.
So how does supersymmetry help?
Supersymmetry is a symmetry that connects matter particles and force particles. It says they are related at a deep level.
Does supersymmetry exist in the real world?
Mathematically, scientists have shown that supersymmetry could be the last possible symmetry of fundamental particles. But so far, we have no clear evidence that nature uses it.
So what are scientists doing now?
They are looking for evidence. They want to see if supersymmetry is really working in the universe.
Now let's recap what we learned today. Supersymmetry is a mathematical idea. Symmetry means something stays the same after a change. Particles can look different, but follow the same rules. There are matter particles and force particles. Supersymmetry connects these two groups. Scientists are still searching for proof in the real world. That's the main ideas that you learned today. We will now review some new vocabularies. Repeat after me. Supersymmetry. 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 Good job. Supersymmetry is a mathematical idea that connects particles. Next word. Symmetry. 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 Great. Symmetry means something stays the same after a change. Next word. Particle. Particle. Particle.
Well done. A particle is a very small part of matter. Next, matter particle. Matter particle. Matter particle. A matter particle helps make things, like electrons. Next, force particle. Force particle. Force particle. A force particle carries forces, like light or energy. Next, equation. 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 An equation is a math sentence that explains how things work. Last one, evidence. Evidence. Evidence.
Well done. Evidence is proof that something is true. That's the end of the video. I'm Bell. Like and subscribe for better English learning.